Another example I have taken of division of polynomials. The question is divide x cube minus 4x square plus 10x minus 3 by x plus 2. So we need to divide this cubic polynomial by the linear polynomial x plus 2. Now divide this polynomial by x plus 2 means since you are going to divide by x plus 2 is the divisor. To be divided, x cube minus 4x square plus 10x minus 3, it is the dividend. So as I have already mentioned in example number 1, similar steps to be followed, and while doing so, okay, we have to see the first term in the dividend, and also you have to see the first term in the divisor. Okay, now see, we will try to divide x cube by only x. So first term in the dividend and first term in the divisor only need to be considered. Remaining terms for time being we ignore. Now here the first term is x cube. In the dividend the first term is x cube. In the divisor the first term is x. So we are going to divide on trying to divide these two terms only. Now x cube means x into x into x and by x. Now 1x getting cancelled. So x into x, what is left? X square. That means x cube when you will try to divide by x cube when you will try to divide by x. Okay, is that clear? So then how many times will go? It will go x square term. Now to divide x cube by x, it goes x square terms. This way you need to do first term in the dividend, then first term in the divisor. Okay, now but remember this x square will be multiplied with not only with x, it also get multiplied with 2. Now x into x square, x cube plus 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 x into x square x cube. Now x square should also be multiplied with plus 2, here plus, here also plus, plus 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 2 into x square plus 2x square. Then I said already that now this the next step is like our normal or ordinary divisions. So what do you have to do now? You have to minus. Now when you will subtract this, here it is plus, so minus, if I do minus, here already plus, so we have to subtract by the rule of division. So minus plus this will become minus, it is already plus, so minus of this plus will also become minus. Now minus x cube, this is now minus x cube, so x cube minus x cube getting cancelled, 0 is left, minus 4x square minus 2x square. So like term to be added or subtracted. Now minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6x square. Done. Now remaining terms which are there in the dividend will come out from the upper line, and when it comes down from the upper line, sign does not change. So this plus 10x will remain as plus 10x only. Minus 3 will remain minus 3. Okay. Now the next line, in the next line, the dividend is minus 6x square. Okay, and the dividend is minus 6x square. Now this minus 6x square you will try dividing by x. So you will try dividing by x. Now minus 6x square and x only. So only first term. Rest of the terms you need not try. So minus 6x square we will try to divide by x. Let us try it. Minus 6 x square means x into x. Here you have 1x, x getting cancelled. So how many times it will go? It will go minus 6x times. So it will go minus 6x times. But be very careful. This minus 6x, you need to multiply with x as well as with 2. Now first of all with x. Here plus, here minus, plus minus minus. 6x into x will be 6x square. As I have already mentioned, this minus 6x now you have to multiply with 2 also. So plus minus minus 6 to the 12x. See here one thing, this minus 12x I did not write vertically below 3. I am writing below 10x because they are the like term. 6x square I am writing below 6x square because they are like term. So every time this x cube I am writing below x cube, I am not writing below 4x square. This twice x square I am not writing below 10x. Twice x square I am writing below 4x square only. That means like term should be written vertically below the like term of the previous line. Okay. Now next step, like our normal division. Now what do you have to do? We have to minus. Now when you will minus this, when you will minus the next number, now see we are going to do minus. Now this minus and the minus with which is there with minus 6. Now minus minus it will become plus 6. Okay. Then again minus you are going to do minus minus, it will also become plus. Now minus 6 plus 6. Always you have to consider the sign that I have written within bracket. Now minus 6 plus 6. Okay, you will get cancelled. Here plus 10x. Now here plus 12x. Plus 10 plus 12 is plus 22x. Okay. The minus 3 will come down from the upper line. When it comes down from the upper line, I said sign does not change. Okay, so it will remain as minus 3 only. Okay, then next. Now what I said, the first term of the dividend, whichever is left now, that is 22x. 22x. You need to try divide by what? X. Okay, always first term. So you need to try divide by x. Now 22x, you are trying to divide by x. X getting cancelled. What is left? 22. That means when you try 22x dividing by x, it goes how many times? 22 times. And no sign means it will go plus 22 times. Okay. Now here plus, here also plus, plus plus plus, 22 into x, 22x. Then 22 should also be multiplied with 2. Okay, so plus 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 plus, 22 into 2 into 22 is 44. Done. Now minus by the rule of division. So minus, here it is plus, so minus we are going to do by the division rule. So minus plus will become minus. This minus we are going to divide use by the division. So minus of this plus will be minus. Now plus 22 minus 22x getting cancelled. Here minus 3. Now here minus 44. Minus 3 minus 44 is minus 3 minus 44 is minus 47. Now this is a constant polynomial, degree 0. This is the linear polynomial, degree 1. So here degree is smaller, we don't divide more. This is the last step. Therefore the question is x square minus 6x plus 22 and the remainder is minus 47. Okay, thank you.